Morning, this is Dexter from City Hall Refrigeration. I'm here in Paris going over some of the Hill Phoenix wiring diagrams. This is something you might need to know at 2 o'clock in the morning, so make sure you understand what's going on here. If you got any questions, give me a call.
Here's the Hill Phoenix rack control panel. There's a multiplex board, contactors, IDCR relay, IDCM module, digital unloader, the discharge clicks on, vapor injection, your oil control, and the compressor time delay. The wiring starts at the toggle switch. The black wire goes to the low pressure control, and once the low pressure control is made, it goes to the time delay. The red wire goes straight to the common side of the compressor contactor. Here's the Johnson Controls low pressure control. Once the compressor time delay is powered up, it times out and then it sends power to the CPC board. And here's what the compressor time delay looks like in the control panel. The power goes to the number 1 relay board. The digital low temp compressor is on point 1. From there it goes through the high pressure control. Here's the CPC multiplex board and the encapsulated high pressure control. Next is the oil failure control. The power comes in on orange and out on brown. If you check that the red contacts are common and the brown wire on the oil control and you have 208 volt, you have eliminated 75% of your controls. Here's the oil control. Next is the IDCR relay. If there's a problem in the Copeland module, this relay holds off the compressor. And here's what the IDCR relay looks like. This is an ice cube relay. Next is the discharge temp clicks on that kicks out if your discharge line is too hot. And here's what the IDCM module looks like. And the IDCM module trouble code flashes. They flash when there's a problem. On the IDCM module, the C1 and C2 connections are the 0 to 5 volt DC input to drive the compressor unloader. The A1 and A2 are the alarm outputs that goes to a CPC input. Here's the analog output board on the CPC that outputs the 0 to 5 volt DC to the Copeland module. The Copeland module U1 and U2 drive the unloader solenoid. The M1 and M2 power the IDCR relay. V1 and V2 drive the vapor injection solenoid for the compressor. Here's the unloader solenoid, and next is the vapor injection solenoid where the subcooler goes into the compressor. If there's a flash code on the IDCM module, you have to kill 24 volt power to the control, usually by turning off the compressor toggle switch. This has been an overview of the IPAC unit. The weather pack is pretty much the same wiring diagram. It's just everything's spaced out a little bit differently in the rack, but you can troubleshoot it the same. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.